What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Now, if you like Mustang related content, please do me a favor, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So probably about 2 years ago, I installed a set of MRT no drill hood struts on our 1999 Mustang GT, and I will link the video to that right up there in a card. So one of the things I really liked about my 2004 Mustang Cobra is that it came with the same MRT hood struts installed already. Because to be honest, I really don't like the prop rod and it just gets in the way, plus it's a much cleaner look. What I noticed as the weather has gotten colder up here in the Northeast is that the hood struts on this Cobra are not as strong as the fairly new ones that are on the GT. Matter of fact, here's some comparison video between the GT and the Cobra. And as you can see, the Cobra, especially when it's cold out, is having a real tough time holding itself up and even requires a little bit more oomph to put the hood all the way up. So what are you gonna do? Well, here's something you can do. I looked at MRT's parts catalog and I found a set of hood struts that replace those, and that will fix us all up. All right, let's get over to the bench and take a look at what we got. So I bought these from the good people at LMR, and let's see what you get, besides a lot of stuffing. So what you get is part number MRT-80C as in Charles 000. These are replacement struts. I believe that's the part number. If not, I'll put them in a link down below. And yep, 80C000. And these are replacement MRT hood struts. And you can see they look exactly like the ones that are on the 99 GT. These should bring back to life the ability for the hood to stay up. I hope the camera's picking this up. There's a little clip right on top here, and the way to install them is actually to release tension on this clip. It'll pop out, and there is a small ball that pops into there, and then we'll be able to pop them off and pop in a new one. So let's get over to the Cobra and install them. Overall, I'm really pleased with these MRT replacement hood struts. Installation is pretty much the same as like the deck lid of an SUV or a minivan or whatnot, or anything that uses that kind of a gas strut to hold something up. Doing this kind of rejuvenated it, so to speak. And it's nice to have the security to know that it's not going to fall and hit you in the head. Plus, they're brand new. You know, at the end of the day, they are the ones made for this kit. In the case of the Mustang, it did originally come with a prop rod. So at the time of this video, they were about $40, which is a little bit more than some OEM replacement ones, but you do get the kind of the confidence of knowing that they are the correct part for the car, for the application. So like I said, I will leave a link down in the description below where you can get them from LMR. The other thing is, I would recommend you have another set of hands. It's not a tremendous amount of work. You just need someone to hold the hood up. It's going to be kind of difficult to do that and pop the clips off at the same time. So if you have somebody to hold the hood up, that'll make the job that much easier. So I hope this helped you out there with your car. Like I said, these struts were probably a couple of years older than the ones that are in the GT, so I'm hoping they'll last a good amount of time. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and do me a favor, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Or better yet, subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. And yep, I will see you on the next one.